Hey there. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an individual FinCEN identifier. This is for you as an individual person. This is not for your business entity. This is an optional step, but I think it makes the process a little bit easier. And also, if you have to share your information with anyone else for a different business entity that perhaps you don't entirely own or control by yourself, you will have to provide this information to someone else, and you might be able to you are able to use this FinCEN identification number rather than sharing all your sensitive information. So I think it's typically the easiest and best way to go, and it is very simple. All you're going to need to have on hand is knowledge of yourself and then a copy of your driver's license or passport that you can upload, so a JPEG file or something like that. Other than that, you should pretty much be pretty easy to go here. So before I jump into all the details, one last note is that I'm not an attorney. I can't offer legal advice. If you have any questions or concerns about this process, I would highly encourage you to reach out to a qualified attorney in your area. They are really the only ones that are qualified or licensed to give you legal advice. So with that said, we are going to jump in and complete this application. So where do I want to put myself? I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller. There we go. All right. So you will go to the website, which is linked in the description box below this video, and that will prompt you to log in with your login.gov credentials. If you don't have them, you can create a new account. That's a little bit of an annoying process, but not too bad. And then you get to this page. And so you are going to start your FinCEN application. So this is all pretty easy stuff. So we're just going to enter in, enter all that information. We're going to enter a residential address. California. Zip code. Okay, then we get to choose. Do we use a driver's license, state, local, tribe issued ID, U.S. passport, or foreign passport? I'm going to use a U.S. passport in this case. So I'll just enter my passport number here. And then I've already saved as a JPEG passport. So I'll upload that. We'll click agree. And then that should pretty much be it. We'll just hit submit. We'll give it a second to think. And we've got success. So now I've got a FinCEN ID, and you can really share this with anyone. You don't have to be too concerned about it. At least that's what I've been led to believe. And so that's the whole point of this ID, is that it's simple, safe, and secure. And once you provide someone else this ID, they will be able to input it in the beneficial ownership reporting portal, which I will record a separate video to walk you through that process. And then you don't have to share your sensitive financial information. So that's it. I don't know how long that took me. I didn't start a timer, but 5 minutes tops? I don't even think that. So if you have any questions on the mechanics of this process, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me. And if you have any questions about the substance of this legal issue, as I said before, an attorney is your best friend in this instance.